Aloha! We are here at the Grand Hyatt in Kauai. Take a look at our ocean view from our hotel room.
Wow, พวกใบตองนี่คืออะไรพวกยังสนับนำยก
Hotel. Oh my gosh, this is our Hyatt hotel room. And I am a Globalist member, so they upgraded us to an ocean view. Look at this. Oh my goodness, it's so picturesque. Happy birthday, Matt!
Thank you. Oh my goodness, that's my birthday present, huh?
Yeah, this hotel room.
Oh my god. Thank you, baby. This view is so beautiful.
Hurry up so we can grab some snacks, some free snacks from the lounge.
Oh
Before they
my
close.
God. What bed is? Woo! How cool is that?
Yeah, this one will be my bed, the other bed for you because you get to see the views.
Oh, this mine.
All yours.
Oh, thank
Queen
you,
size.
God.
Is
Thank
it
you.
queen size?
Thank you. Yeah, it is queen. See, look, my flower. Must be.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a little bit energy to push.
Oh, and there's a screen door too.
Oh wow! Oh, so good.
Wow.
When you look now, this scale high, right?
Oh no, but this
be
one's
okay.
fine.
Oh my God! Yesterday was this one.
Wow, this is our view.
Oh, gorgeous. Beautiful. Wow. Like you can see, the whole world is yours now. It's like
It's
everything
all
in front of you is.
There's not a lot of rooms with a view, so wow. Amazing. Oh, like a ceiling fan.
Yeah, we've been,
This is the first time I've
we've been
seen
going
one.
to places for a long time, for many days, so now it's
Yeah.
like the best.
Looks like they gave a little kit too. And a flower.
Flower, yes. What is it? Orchid.
Oh, it's an orchid.
Orchid. And then I brought my own flowers, of course.
And then I think we got some water bottles too, Matt.
Oh, nice. Wow.
Very cool. It says, we are dedicated to reducing our ecological footprint. Please enjoy these reusable water bottles to refill throughout your stay and take home with you. Filtered water machines are located on every guest room floor throughout the resort. Mahalo.
Wow. Nice.
Looks like we have an espresso coffee here and some pods. Ooh, maybe I'll try one later. And then we cannot unpack it because there's so much more to see. We still have stuff in the car.
Yeah.
But I want to make sure we take advantage of the snacks they have in the lounge. Let's see what they have in here. Oh, they have robes. This robe is for us to use the spa. Extra stuff.
Is that pretty?
Mm-hmm.
And then,
Oh yeah, that's pretty. That's a change.
see?
Yeah, more color.
Yeah, we'll
The
come.
lounge is on the 3rd floor. Masks must be worn unless we're eating. All right. Let's
All right,
scan.
let's check it out.
Looks like. Oh, all the free stuff over there. So there's snacks. Oh, excuse me. And this? Beverage. We're gonna have our little snack. Yeah, this is to make sure everything's sanitized. So which one did you choose? The mint one?
Thank you, thank you, thank you. So happy.
Now this.
We soak it all. We soak every second. We enjoy every minute, every second.
Yeah, this is our view right now. It's raining. Aloha! We are here at the Grand Hyatt in Kauai. Take a look at our ocean view from our hotel room.
Wow.
It is so picturesque. Even though it's rainy and cloudy today, it's still nice and warm. And we're still enjoying it. Oh yeah, we're getting ready to grab a bite to eat from the Grand Lounge. And then we're gonna go to dinner. We reserved at the very last minute. There's one opening left. How's your coconut water? Are you gonna finish it?
Yes. It's really fresh, very sweet, very good. Beautiful. This is our view as we walk out from our hotel room.
As you can see, another lookout.
Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah.
So gorgeous in here.
I don't think we're gonna use the gym. Maybe, I don't know. It's 24/7. I might go there to stretch. Maybe. See? Can't go 10 steps without her wanting to take food. You have to wear your mask in.
Okay. Oh, yes, yes.
What else can I get for you?
Oh, looks good.
It's a pulled pork
Okay.
quesadilla.
Small.
Do you want a salsa?
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure.
Thank you so much.
What else can I get for you?
That's it.
All right, let me get you utensils, okay? You're very welcome.
Thank you.
The salsa. This is the lobby area. I love this, the tree. This is the front desk. The reception area. Super very cool. Oh, so pretty. I love this outdoor thing. Wow. Yeah. The appetizers at the lounge is really good.
And fill in.
Yeah, we had quesadillas, hummus, and veggies. There was like a veggie pasta. I don't know what else you had in it. I had a lot.
What is that wrap? Green? Look like a...
It's a quesadilla.
Oh, okay. Yeah, those are good with the pork.
You take sugar and almond. I just said her, 'cause you promised me it. We did it through high school. We had made promises to love each other. Never gonna give you up, and no matter what you promised, said her.
Here we have our chair. I was spending some time this morning journaling. It's pretty windy here. I'm a little surprised about that. Alright. And I believe I'll just put it in like that. Here we go. Here we go. Matt, here's your coffee.
Oh, okay.
It's just like an espresso shot.
Wow.
It's hot. Oh, good? Just like Italy?
Yeah.
And good morning to you. I am super drenched. Look at this. Oh my gosh. All the way down. Looks like I fell into the pool. There's Mama. As you can see, it is sunny again. It was raining earlier. I'm dry now.
Unbelievable raining, right?
Yeah. I think we're both kind of trying to avoid the sun now because we're dark.
Got tan on it. See? Yeah,
She got really
some
tan.
now.
There's more koi fishes.
This morning we practice dancing Korean BTS. Oh, fun before. Yeah. And the breeze from the ocean in front of us has a little pond with a